With more rain in the forecast, residents of Blacksmith Lane in Seaforth St. Thomas are on edge. This as the Johnston River, which previously washed away 3 houses, is once again threatening their homes after heavy rainfall. Residents staged a protest today against what they described as neglect by the authorities in carrying out proper river training along the riverbank.
It has been over 5 years now since I've been asking the government to do something about this river. The river come, the river wash away almost the whole of my yard, almost the whole of Blacksmith Lane. You understand? And it can't be like this. We need help, we need justice around here, because for Melissa come and wash we out, nobody look back on us. Look at the house, look on the yard, and in the river, everything then at the river. And it's like everybody neglect we back here. Nothing is going on for us in Blacksmith Lane. It's like them just condemn we just leave alone to fend for ourselves.
And the whole of we around here, we life in a jeopardy. As you can see, the look rising, when you see the sun, at that, at it, at end of the water from come down here, since after a storm. Because they claim to say they should it up, but if rain come right now, it'll go burst and come straight back towards it. Cameraman can turn the camera and show you. Straight towards you, right in our house. You wash with the grind, and it will come back. It will take life around here. We can't take that. We need urgent help from the government and anybody who can assist. You see there?